everyone, and welcome to week 6 in your online general psychology course. This week we will move on to chapter 4, which is over sensation and perception. So I feel like especially the last chapter, the last couple chapters have built up to understanding how the body and the brain interact and work together. And in this chapter, you will understand how sensation is where we take in raw sensory data from our environment, and then through our different receptor cells in those areas of our sensory systems, send the message to our brain, and that is where perception happens. So, a very interesting chapter of almost putting together what we've learned up to this point. So, let's take a look at this week's module. Here is your narrated PowerPoint. You have 3 Connect assignments. One's a news flash over a college app an app for college students. Another one on top-down, bottom-up processing. The third one is over thresholds. So all of this information will be covered in this chapter, so don't forget to read chapter 4, and then your chapter 4 post-test. So this week, 3 Connect assignments and your chapter 4 quiz. No writing assignments. Yay! You sure have been doing a really good job on your writing assignments, so keep up the great work. Have a great week, everybody, and make sure you have these 3 Connect assignments plus your chapter 4 quiz turned in by Sunday, February 26th. Take care, everybody.